አፍጥኑት!
I think we both know things didn't go too well today.
Hey, I think that was Matthew.
I'm Cloud.
Hey, I think that was Matthew.
Just trying to be funny.
Okay, I keep trying.
Sorry, do I know you?
You on that honeymoon package?
Yes.
Where's your honeymoon vacation?
Just trying to be funny.
Okay, I keep trying.
You're an old man with an earring.
He made a choice.
Like what a pirate would make.
Not hard. Don't be weird.
ሁሉም ፊልም ቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ። የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ሊንክ ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ውስጥ አስቀምጠንላችኋል። መልካም ጊዜ